Hello, this is Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out these TigerTough seat covers on our Ford Transit. Now, TigerTough offers these in 3 different colors: gray, black, and tan. We have the gray installed on our Transit today. Also, you can see that it has headrests included, and I believe options for the armrest. We have the armrest covers on our Transit as well. TigerTough uses a material they refer to as iron weave, which keeps your seats absolutely protected from things like stains and rips, and is just an incredible addition to your cargo van and will keep your seats looking fantastic for years. Now, these seat covers also have tearaway areas for airbags if you have those on whatever kind of cargo van you have. Our Transit does have that, so there is an airbag spot for that to be deployed if needed. And they are made right here in the USA and are absolutely quality crafted. For more products like this, you can check out upfitsupply.com.